What is up, guys? Norris Digital Assets coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going to cover Bitcoin that has corrected down massively. But everything is all right in my mind, just staying rational. Overall, in my honest opinion, selling right now is idiotic. I'm not, absolutely not selling anything. I'm buying at these levels. These are nice levels to buy. We're going to take a look at the DXY. The DXY is on fire. It's going crazy. We're going to look at Credible Crypto's page here. Credible Crypto 37 minutes ago. If this is your first time experiencing a correction this significant, take it from someone who has been here for 5+ years. This is crypto and it's normal. In quotations, you don't get 50 to 100x gains without insane volatility, and volatility goes both ways. Keep calm and think rationally. Exactly. Couldn't have said it any better myself. Exactly. I think it would be absolutely foolish and idiotic to sell at these levels. It is a buy at these levels. I'm looking to spend $3,000 to $5,000 this week, just DCAing into some stuff. And these are levels to buy, and it's very, very counterintuitive. It feels awful. It feels like it's going to go lower and lower and lower, etc. DXY is on fire. I got to add in one other note here. I was Ubering down here in Austin, Texas, and this is very random, but somehow I was Ubering just some normal people, just normal people here and there, Ubering some people from the crypto conference. All of a sudden, I happened to pick up Crypto Wendy O just the other day. I'm gonna try to go on her channel. I'm gonna send her an email, like she said. I'm gonna send her an email and try to get on her channel here in a week or two. But yeah, I picked up Crypto Wendy O and gave her a nice ride to her destination. So that was cool. It was I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow. Very, very random. Anyways, no more bullshit. Let's dive into this. DXY, obviously we didn't get the dead cat bounce right now. DXY is on fire. This is on the weekly. The stock, the momentum, stock RSI didn't even go to zero before coming up like it almost always does. Zeros, stays flat, whatever. Went to 25 and sprung right back up, which is kind of crazy, but will it still roll to zero? Definitely could. We'll wait and see. Didn't get the dead cat bounce because if we go to the daily, this is what I was talking about the other day. Very, very, very common pattern, and just it's not happening. The dollar is just still on fire. It's just been an extreme thorn in the side of Bitcoin. So obviously you come up, you come back down. A lot of the time you hit that resistance, roll back down, and you fall to the 55 EMA, or you roll below them and you get the green across the red. The opposite seemed to happen. This line was not resistance yet. Definitely not at all. Blew right through it. The only thing I could see, you know, if this thing starts running again, you can see the curvature on the 20. It's going to be bad for Bitcoin moving forward. This thing just won't calm down. But let's go back to the weekly really quick. This thing has been running for a long time. Remove all drawings. Unless we can get some sort of is this a resistance top here? I don't know. It's been running since, what is this? You had this W double bottom, and the W double bottom was in May 2021, and ever since this W double bottom May 21 all the way till now, this thing has been running for a calendar year. There's the whole year right there. It's just been running on fire, and right now very parabolic looking on the weekly, which is crazy, and the momentum didn't even go to zero. So we'll see what happens with this next. This is a big part of what's going on with Bitcoin. They always move. They always move in an opposite direction. And again, if we go back to the daily, 2 big weeks in a row, you see the 2 big green candles here. But if we go back to the daily here, yeah, it's just exploded the last 3-4 days. It's just been exploding through here up to 105. Will it see a top and roll back down? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see on that. Keep an eye on it. In my opinion, still yes, still overheated. Now you're up here where the 20 EMA is here and the 55 is here, and you haven't come back to either of them in a while. And the angle that you're at is not normal for the DXY. Usually, correct back down here, correct back down here. Find the EMAs, find the EMAs, correct down. Right now, you know, we're just floating up there. So we're just gonna have to wait and see, guys. Let us go to actually take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see, what is the price of Bitcoin? 23,257. Wow, and you can see falling out of the expanded flat pattern right now. If you drag this down, that's, I mean, the only way you could even make any sense of that is by using these wicks, and it's still a stretch. Still a stretch. But we'll see. Again, my main drawing, I will not back off my main drawing, whether that sounds crazy to you or not. I will stay with it. I will buy these levels. Let's see here. These purple boxes that I have are the exact same size. Technically, yeah, it sucks. It sucks that Bitcoin's at this price. Technically, we actually went below this purple box here and here on 2 different weeks. Well below the purple box. I have these purple boxes. They're the same size. We're not even to the bottom of the purple box. Where's it going to go next? Let's wait and see. Again, though, I will not change. Again, though, also a good thing here. Let me open up the stock RSI. Again, Bitcoin's is at 0. Weekly momentum is at 0. So we're waiting for that to get a turn back to the upside. But again, I will not change my thesis. Whether that sounds crazy or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a correction, and then 5 won't change that. 2, you can see how steep 2 is here, where 4 is a little bit more shallow and extended and dragged out, which makes sense. When 2 is deep and fast like that, 4 will be more shallow and extended, and the market cap's much bigger up in this range than it was down in this range. Market cap is so much bigger. So obviously it takes more money to move it and for it to get going on that wave 5. A lot of macro uncertainty in the world as a whole. You know, gas prices, oil prices, the stock market is also definitely down right now. They're correlating to an extent right now. Later, I believe Bitcoin will leave the stock market and everything else in the dust. Right now, still looking at this as a correction. Just like Credible Crypto said, just looking at it as a correction, staying rational. I'm going to buy this up. I love this buying area right here. Kevin Cage just yesterday saying that he's ready to buy altcoins. He's been a genius at buying somewhat near bottoms. I'm going to buy this up. I'm going to buy next week, the end of June. I don't know where Bitcoin's going to be and everything else. It can stay here. That's fine by me. I'm not selling anything. That's fine if Bitcoin stays here, because towards the end of June, I'm going to buy even more. I'm going to buy CKB, Cardano, VeChain, all that good stuff. B Pro, that's ultra cheap right now. I'm going to buy a little bit of those for sure. I'm going to shop around. I'll buy a little bit of Curve, maybe a little bit of Chainlink and API 3, the Web 3 type stuff, Oracle, and yeah, that's the way I'm seeing it. If it wants to sit sideways like this towards the end of June, then fine. There's more buying opportunities in DCA. Again, whether you think I'm wrong or not so far on everything I've said on this channel, that's fine. But I don't believe that I'm going to be in the long run. I think that this is going to play out. I just think it takes time. Credible Crypto, follow him as well. Watch some of his videos. Follow him on Twitter. I love what he's got going on, what he says. A lot of the stuff I say lines up with what he's got. Real basic video. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and all that good stuff. What's going on with the CBBI? It was 21. Is it lower? 17. Okay. I mean, absolutely a very low number. 17. When you get into these single-digit CBBI numbers, they've been massive runs. Obviously, this is the CBBI historical chart. Obviously, buying low CBBIs, you can see here. Say you bought all these low CBBIs in 2015. Say you bought a 15 or a 16 here in 2015. Bitcoin was $310. If you look in here, CBBI last time over here when it was 17, 16, Bitcoin was $4,000. 16, 17, massive run. Say we're in here and you bought something CBBI 16, Bitcoin's $5,000, runs all the way up to 64, comes back down and then goes to 69. So keep that in mind. It's just counterintuitive. It doesn't feel like an opportunity, but it is. And that's all I can really say for today. I wish I could say Bitcoin's 50,000. I wish I could say that we sold everything we owned at 69,000 Bitcoin. We sold all of our altcoins, sold everything, and now we were dumping all of our money into everything now. Yeah, that'd be great. Didn't necessarily see these this 4 correction being so long, so low, and taking so much time to get going again. Didn't see that, but definitely doing our best. There's analysts all over the place saying all kinds of different stuff. But again, I'm sticking with my main drawing. I'm sticking with Credible Crypto. I'm sticking with what I'm showing you here. I'm sticking with what I'm telling you in this video. And that's how I am moving forward. That's how you get that 50x, that 100x. That's how you make those massive gains in the future. So everything's all good. It's just another beautiful day down here in Austin, Texas. And we'll see you in the next video. I'll see what I can do. I'll release some stuff here in the next couple days. Don't want to do too long of a video right now, but I'll get some stuff together and put out a good video here this week for sure for you guys. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for the like button. Thanks for subscribing. And we will see you in the next video. See ya.